Myers strips to celebrate loss in Tucson City Court. Lane Myers celebrated another day of harassing and abusing prosecutors in the Tucson City Court on Tuesday by performing a striptease on camera while getting high and singing about a prosecutor's cats. The celebration came as Myers turned a simple dismissal of two sets of charges for disorderly conduct language/gestures into an ordeal, as there was a debate over if the charges should be dropped with or without prejudice. Myers contended that the case should be dropped with prejudice, meaning that he could not be prosecuted again as he felt the charges had no merit. The prosecutor in the case asked for the case to be dismissed with prejudice as the state's main witness stopped cooperating with the prosecution after harassment on YouTube from Myers. The prosecution presented evidence that they tried to serve witness Mackenzie O'Brien 3 times in person in November and sent her physical mail that was not returned. Myers countered that the witness was at another court case in the same building last week and could have been served at that time. Myers continually interrupted and insulted the prosecutor during the event, speaking out of turn and screaming profanity at times. Judge Antonio Riojas Jr. eventually sided with the prosecution after Myers' extended display, dismissing the case without prejudice. The 717 fans assembled for the audio live stream of Myers' latest antics called it another amazing display of Myers' knowledge of the law worthy of the title constitutional law scholar. Those actually listening without prejudice, however, heard Myers ramble, interrupt, and scream, often incoherently, in front of a scandal-plagued judge on the lowest totem pole of Tucson's judicial system, who had previously been marred by scandals where he was accused of mistreating defendants. Myers has been given special treatment due to his claims of Tourette's syndrome and has gained a following based on his outrageous behavior and extended YouTube attacks on critics and witnesses in his cases. He uses Arizona's laws permitting audio recording in the courtroom as long as the judge is notified in advance, to his advantage, as he live streams the audio recordings, profiting from a growing following due to his outrageous behavior. After his loss yesterday, Myers celebrated anyway, as he claimed that the prosecution would not retry him on any of the charges. After doing some filing, he and his friends retreated to a secluded area where Myers stripped his shirt off and took hits off a pipe while singing about the prosecutor's cats. His live stream ended before the YouTuber attempted to take his pants off.